Bonjour Jessica, j'espère que tu vas bien. Voici le résumé du cours du lundi 2 mars. Quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes le lundi 2 mars. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 10 heures. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait beau. Il fait froid. Okay? Je voudrais, followed by du masculine, de la féminine, déployons de l'apostrophe because the noun starts with an H or a vowel. That means du, de la, des, different forms of some. Je veux, I want. Je ne veux pas de, I don't want any. Donnez-moi, give me. Formal, donne-moi, give me casual. Il me faut, I need. That means it's necessary to me. Il me faut une baguette. I need a baguette. Il me faut du pain. I need some bread. Je vais prendre. Je vais prendre whatever. Du, de la, des, whatever. I'll have. I'm going to take. Salut means hi or bye. So we can be in a very specific situation. Be like, il me faut une serviette. I need a towel. Il me faut une grande serviette. I need a large towel. Il me faut une petite serviette. I need a small towel. Il me faut du savon. Well, I need soap. Du savon liquide, some liquid soap. Du shampoing, some shampoo. Bon, I need shampoo, that's it. Hein. L'eau est trop froide. The water is too cold. L'eau de la douche est trop froide. The water in the shower is too cold. There is no hot water. Il n'y a pas d'eau chaude. Il n'y a pas d'eau chaude. In my room. Dans ma chambre. There is, il y a, there are, il y a. Il n'y a pas d'eau chaude dans ma chambre. There is no hot water in my room. Il n'y a pas d'eau chaude dans ma chambre. Il n'y a pas de serviettes. There are no towels. There are no towels. Il n'y a pas de savon. There is no soap. Où est le bar? Where is the bar? Où est le resto? Where is the restaurant? Où se trouve le resto? Where is located? Where is the restaurant located? That means the same. Où est le resto? Où se trouve le resto? Je m'appelle Jessica, je travaille à Boston. My name is Jessica, I work in Boston. Je vis à Boston, I live in Boston. Je vous présente mon père. Let me introduce you my father. Ma mère, my mother. Mon mari, my husband. Ma fille, my daughter. Mon fils, we don't pronounce the L. Mon fils, my son. Voici mon père, we can say je vous présente mon père. Voici mon père, here's my father. Ma fille s'appelle, my daughter's name is. Mon fils s'appelle, my son's name is. Voici mon ami, here is my friend. You can find that on the book Grand Débutant, hein, communication progressive. Voici mon ami, here is my female friend, that's what we mean in French. Voici mon ami John, here is my friend John. Voici mon ami Marie, here is my friend Mary. So you can notice we add an E for the feminine form, but we don't pronounce anything different. It's the same pronunciation. So, communication progressive débutant complet, page 24, page 24. I'm going to try to summarize. Regarder means to watch or to look at. Okay? Regardez ici. Look here, look over here. Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? S'appeler is what we call a reflective verb. Because of this S apostrophe, there is a reflection to call oneself. Okay, so we conjugate this. Logically, this is an irregular. No, it's still an irregular verb, but it behaves a bit of a regular verb as an irregular verb because we have the two L, just one L who is new and V. So, je m'appelle, my name is. Tu t'appelles, your name is. Il s'appelle, nous nous appelons. Vous vous appelez, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. So basically, every time you're going to have to reuse this S apostrophe, we change it according to the pronoun we have right before. So, M apostrophe, T apostrophe, S apostrophe, nous, vous, S apostrophe. Se réveiller is to wake up. So basically we have a ER verb. It's part of the first group. First group, they have the same behavior. What we do is we drop the ER and we add E for this, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Always the same endings. Okay? The stem may change a bit, like for instance here we have a double L, double L, double L, just one L, double L, double L. Okay? And this pronoun, this reflection, is gonna change as well according to the subject. Okay, so can be M apostrophe, T apostrophe. We'll come back to that. C'est means it is. Ce sont is a plural form of c'est, basically. But in English, it's going to be a bit different. So it's they are or these are. Okay. So, je me réveille à, I wake up at, plus the time. À quelle heure tu te réveilles le matin? At what time do you wake up in the morning? Je me réveille à 7 heures. Je me réveille à 5 heures. I wake up at 7, I wake up at 5. Mais aujourd'hui, je veux me réveiller à 10 heures. But today, I want to wake up at 10. I didn't give you homework because I want you to remember what we did. Okay? You have an excellent week. You let me know when you have allé bon, maybe next week. And that's it. Take care, Jessica. À bientôt.